Hello my lovelies, the kids have just had dinner and I've tidied everything away. They're now having half an hour in front of the telly, so I thought I'd try and do a job that I've been putting off doing for ages, and that is sort the fridge out because it's a mess. It's absolutely disgusting, but I'm feeling motivated. I'm gonna do it and hopefully it'll look a lot better than it does now by the time we've finished. So I'll show you. Let me move you up a bit. Can you see? It's bad. It's really bad. So this is the current state of my fridge. Fingers crossed it's going to look a lot better when I'm done.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away, we're locked together far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration to an unknown destination, can't you see? I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
I mean, why? Why have we got two of these open at the same time? Just not necessary. We need to get better at things like this. That doesn't need to be in the fridge yet. Not been opened. Woo!
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow I'll let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before, in every shape. There's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow I will set things straight. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. Let all my troubles go away. Tomorrow it's gonna be okay. No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all our worries fade. Let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. It's gonna be okay. No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all our worries fade. Let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow.
You, but I think that looks a whole lot better and I feel calmer and happier now that it's done. Now to try and keep it like this and give it a week. Thanks for watching. Bye.